Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Kamika Okechukwu, also known as the Wealth Gap Closer, okay? So again, I invite you to join me for this video, and thanks again for stopping by. For those that are new, again, like I said, I'm a real estate investor. I'm also an entrepreneur and a licensed realtor in Illinois, as well as a mom of 3 boys, okay? So that's really important in my life. I actually created this channel to provide value, to provide real estate content, okay? So if you have content you want to see, let me know. I read all my comments. But the content on this channel is focused on real estate, investing, and finance, okay? So today's video is all about proper home maintenance, okay? And it's really important that you maintain your home. So if you find my content helpful, I invite you to like my video and subscribe to my channel so that YouTube, their algorithm, understands, what videos you like. Then of course, I invite you not to forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, all right? So let's dig in. Signing your name on that dotted line isn't the finish line when it comes, to buying a home. It's really honestly like the first steps, just the beginning. Okay, let's be honest here. Okay, you have to maintain that home and properly upkeep it, because really it not only makes your property a more enjoyable place to live in, no one's going to argue that, but it helps really protect your investment for years to come. So proper upkeep is very important, okay? Now, buyers, I'm gonna keep it real with you, buyers can tell when a home has had deferred maintenance. So you definitely want to take care of those things if you plan to sell. I can tell you because I've worked with homeowners and sellers of all kinds since I bought my first property back in 2007 at the height of the market. And even more so since I became a realtor in Illinois in 2017. And then, of course, as a busy mom, I can tell you that it helps to have a regular monthly schedule for maintaining your home. So I've got some suggestions for you. That's where I come in with this video today, okay? And I am going to share that with you to help keep you on track for the rest of this year, as well as, in the new year and through next year, okay? So let's dig in. January, decluttering and organizing. Make it a time to remove, clean, and store your holiday decor and things of that nature, and your exterior lights, okay? Purge those closets and get rid of things you don't need or that you haven't used in a year. Honestly. Make room for new things in abundance, okay? Do some end-of-year accounting and set up a folder to create a folder for your current year's taxes. It makes it a lot easier to do your taxes in January, trust me. And then in February, do a bathroom once-over. Remove and replace any worn or crumbling caulk or grout in and around your bathtubs, your sinks, and at the base of your toilets where things can get a little buildup, right? Take an opportunity to vacuum your vent cover fans. Just think about it. We're breathing that air, okay? So keep it clean. Clean your aerators and your faucets and your showers. And of course, make sure everything is in good working condition, like your toilets, and there's no running or leaky sinks and tubs and things like that. As you roll into March in your kitchen, check that your range hood is clean and that you've replaced that filter, because things can get a little grimy there too. Make sure you're cleaning your shelves, and I love to check all my expiration dates and toss out anything that's not used but old. And so also you can take the time to clean out your fridge. Not everybody does that, every couple of weeks or even every month. So this is a good time. And then in May, you can maybe do a bedroom reboot. Thoroughly clean all your bedding. I honestly like to do a swap out of my linen on a seasonal rotation. Definitely optional, but that's something that I like to do. And then take again the time to just go through your drawers, do any purging of things that you don't need. I like to do the Marie Kondo method, and anything that like doesn't make me all happy and go ching on the inside, I go ahead and I donate that to people that may have better use for it, and I make room for the new. You can flip your mattress if you like, and then in June, as you let the sun shine in, focus on your windows. I really like to focus on having my windows cleaned. If I don't clean them, we pay somebody to take care of that, and then we also inspect our windows and door screens, because sometimes they get holes in them, or even like the little lock on the patio screen doors. A lot of times you'll see those need to be replaced every once in a while. So make sure all the doors and locks are working properly and that they're in good condition. And then you can clean the tracks and lubricate any hinges if you notice that like when you open or shut your door, you hear some squeaking. Get you some WD-40 on that. And then since you did your windows, clean your shutters and drapes. And then in July, you can do a fresh coat of paint. You can inspect the exterior of your home. I like to inspect the interior walls, check for any cracks and bulges, and do any touch-ups of patching of paint or just patching of cracks or whatever's needed. And then that's also a good time to clean and seal your decks. And then in the fall, as it gets cooler in August, you can check and clean your dryer vents, your AC, your range hood, your room fans, okay? Again, take care of your air and keep your heating and cooling vents clean. You know, make sure they're not blocked by any furniture or drapery. Always make sure there's like good ventilation there. And then as you prepare for winter and the summer, just consider checking for weather stripping around your windows and your doors so that you're keeping out the drafts and you're also being more energy efficient, okay? Really important. So make sure, another thing you can do is make sure that your refrigerator door is sealed tight. And then I always like to have my husband take care of caulking, you know, for any drafts that we may get in the basement, or even around your dryer vent, honestly. And then of course you can make sure that your roof is in good condition and that you don't have any missing shingles. Like last year we had a bad hailstorm, and we actually had to do a complete roof tear off. So those are things to keep track of, right? And then in October, as you get ready for like the fire season, if you got a fire pit or a fireplace, make sure that you have like the chimney checked out by a professional, or maybe even consider getting it cleaned if you never had it cleaned before, or do that once a year as you prepare for the first fire of the season. Then of course, as you're building your fire, you can clean out your ashes and just ensure that they, you know, completely cool before you discard them. And then as you prepare for the holiday season, we roll into November, consider just touching up your soft surfaces. Maybe vacuum all your sofas and your pillows. I actually like to do it more regular, but at least that time, once you can build it in, and maybe spot check or clean like your carpeting or your upholstery. Then as you roll into December, great time to clean out that garage. And again, purge unused items. You know, you can also neatly organize your tools. I love to garden, so I have garden equipment and appliances. Maybe even take your screwdriver and go around the house this month with, you know, your screwdriver and tighten up any screws that may be loose or any doors and furniture. Great time to do that, especially if you have time off for the holidays. So make a list of everything that needs to be repaired. And if needed, you know, you can always pick up supplies at the hardware store when you're out. So that was a lot, but I think it'll help you get through the year. And if you found this video helpful, again, like and subscribe to my channel. It's been a pleasure. My name again is Kamika Okechukwu. I am the Wealth Gap Closer, and I am your sister in the financial freedom journey toward financial freedom. Actually, you know, we're here to close the wealth gap. So thank you for joining me and have a blessed, beautiful day.